Hey, I came up with this idea recently. I was doing my ball joints and U-joints on the Jeep. I found that this was easier than using the bench vise or hammer methods. Make sure that you align the receiving hole and the screw of the ball joint press. After the first cup was pressed out, I used a hammer in order to seat the second cup so it doesn't go through sideways. Here I'm using a vise in order to make it easier to get on camera, but I did the first axle on top of the toolbox without it being secured down. I had no issues. Once the second cup was pressed all the way through and it's loose, you can back it off and everything comes out easy. On the first axle, I drove one of the cups through the hole sideways and it actually gouged the metal a bit. So in order to fix that, I used the hone, and since I honed a few of the holes, I decided to do all of them to keep them consistent. I did the honing twice, once on camera and once off camera. Hindsight, I would have done the hone only once. During the removal process, I did have a cup that was so corroded in place that the flat part broke off when it was being removed. I used the cross of the U-joint in order to actually force what was left of that cup through until it shattered, and I was able to take it out by pieces. But the press definitely made it easier than trying to hammer it out.